Our 20-year relationship with BSquare is very strong because when we were starting fresh in our business, ever since then, BSquare has been supporting us in growing. Whether it has been our ERP, whether it has been our CRM or car wash solutions, they have always come and helped us in our growth. And it is not a typical customer and vendor relationship. They have been very involved with us. They know our business. They have got in touch with our people. They understand our business, and they have tailor-made all these solutions for our company. I would strongly recommend BSquare for software solutions because they are professional, they are responsive, and Mr. Nambiar is leading his team with example, and they always have a positive attitude. I wish them the very best, and I'm looking forward to another 20 years of successful relationship, if not more, with the BSquare group. Bye.